Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3, which I think is actually part of an A, 3 waves down for the B, and I think we're in a wave C right now. I don't even see that the wave 3 is over yet. I mean, it very easily could go up and take out this high for the wave 3, then make a bigger correction for the wave 4, and then back up for the wave 5, and that would be the completion of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So I actually think that the yen pairs are not even close to finishing their uptrend. So going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I got a little my Fibonacci extension on here, and we are at the 100% fib level. So I mean, it would be likely to see a pullback, but I still think this is just going to be a correction to the upside. I still am very bullish. I still don't see any reason at all to think that this wave 3 is actually over, and definitely am still looking for longs in an uptrend. I still think we're in a wave 3, and I still think it's possible it will take out those highs on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily time frame, that is, we are at the 100%. So I mean, yeah, a pullback probably is pretty likely, but I think it will just be a correction to the uptrend. I personally would still be looking for longs in an uptrend, especially with these roadmap higher time frames telling us that the trend is up, telling me that I definitely want to primarily look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it kind of looked like we were at a wave 5, but I mean, possibly this spike right here could have already been the wave 5. Either way, like I said, I think the trend is up. Whether this actually makes a higher low and goes up, or whether it makes like an actual more proper correction, which I think could possibly be the case, like an A, B, then down for the C, maybe down to one of these fib levels, and then back up. Either way, I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. I personally am ignoring any shorting opportunities because I'm waiting for the better opportunities to the long side, which are more likely to produce really nice risk to reward ratios. So I do have my Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour time frame because if we do get a fib bounce and a break of structure to the upside, then I definitely would stop looking for shorts and I definitely would start looking for longs. I personally am not really looking for shorts anyways. I mean, if you trade the short time frames, you could possibly be looking for shorts. But what I'm doing is I'm waiting for a good long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. If it closes below this 78%, then that's probably going to tell us that we really are in a wave C and that we really will go down and take out these lows. But even if we really are in a wave C, I think it's best to wait for the completion of that wave C to go long, most likely for the continuation of this bigger uptrend on the much, much longer time frames. I think we are very clearly just in a correction to the uptrend on those higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.